Hey guys, quickly gonna do the breakdown for the crypto market. So it's the 6th of August and starting off with BTC on the daily. So remember earlier in the week I said dollar cost average, you should start dollar cost averaging in. This was our first level that got tapped and then price has now moved away. But for the guys that still have orders lower at 34 and at 32,000, you can keep those orders for the next couple of weeks. And price from that 38.2 has already moved up 8.61%. And what we're currently seeing is that there is a slight pickup on volume. And price is currently busy forming a higher low. And this area of support has now been established at 38,000. And if we go down to the 4-hour chart, what we can see now is that price is clearly based out at this level, made a high, made a low, and then proceeded to break this previous high. So we want to see price continue and ultimately breaking out of this $42,000 range. Price is still stuck in this range, and what I say range is that this is the level that we are looking at. We need price to stay above it and be established as an area of support after it's been broken out of. So definitely looks good for the upside. And quickly going over to Ethereum, and as I mentioned earlier in the week as well, that I liked Ethereum more than Bitcoin. And the reason for that is look how the volume from these lows started to pick up. After we found support, then volume started picking up. And now our next level that we need to start breaking through for further upside is the 2,900 level right here. I want to see price breaking through the 2,900 level. And then once we break through that level, then we can see price continuing up to at least about $3,300. That is on Ethereum. Quickly jumping over to Link. Link still stuck against this area of resistance right here. Up until we don't break above that resistance, I will not trade Link. I'll just monitor it for now. And Binance Coin, as I mentioned, was that we're working with this beautiful channel right here. And I think if we can start breaking above these wicks, these daily wicks here above 350, I think price can then fill out this channel that we are working with. So this is definitely one to monitor as well for potential short opportunities in that zone right there. Also looking left, that is an area of past resistance. So Binance Coin, definitely one to monitor. Monero, absolutely pumping after finding support in this region. Remember what I said about the 38.2. Look how price has beautifully proceeded to bounce off that level and is now pushing up. So where do we go from here? That will be the question. So next up, we've got the area of resistance at 278. And this is where I expect price to pull back. And then from there, we can start looking at re-entering Monero for further upside. Beautiful breakout, retest of prior structure. There was the resistance. If you look to your left, that all was the resistance. We broke out, retested it, had a nice bullish engulfing, and then price started breaking to the upside. XRP is looking like it is coiling for a move up. Let's quickly remove all of our drawings here on XRP and quickly look at what we've got here. So very similar to Monero. Remember how the Monero chart looked like? There was the area of resistance. This was all resistance. Price broke out with decent volume and is now correcting. So what I'm expecting is once we start breaking above these highs on the daily, a break and close above 0.7567 is going to open up the door for further upside. And I'm expecting at least about a 42% upside potential from these levels. 32, that's at least what I'm expecting, because taking an equal X target from these lows to the highs and then just copying that over, that is my target for XRP if we can start breaking above these levels right here. So definitely want to monitor XRP break of the high. That is where we will enter. And the last one, Litecoin, still stuck against this resistance. First need to wait for a daily break and close above. So that's the crypto market in short, guys. There's about 2-3 beautiful opportunities presenting itself. We'll be monitoring that. I will share updates on the group as soon as we enter those. And trade safe, and hope you guys have an amazing weekend.